Good morning, students. So, interested unit VAVA, which is called as measurement. So, we understood many things, discussed many about measurement and how it's helpful in our day-to-day life, and what are the rules we are using while rounding up the value. So, all the things, the instrument, and how it is differ in daily life, what instruments we are using. Everything was discussed in previous classes. That unit was called measurement. That unit is measurement. So after the unit number 1, now we are entering into the unit number 2. It's called as force and pressure. So what do you know about force and what do you know about pressure? Here there are definitions, proper definitions and proper answers, examples, everything are given. We are going to discuss. And before that, we'll see what you know about force. What is called pressure? You have to recall your knowledge. You have to recall your ideas, what you learned from previous classes, and what you know about that force and pressure term. Can you say what is force? Yes, right. Push or pull. Acting on an object is called as force. Very good. It is a definition of force. And what is pressure? Yes, you are right. Force acting per unit area. That is called as pressure. So both the definitions you understood very well. Good. And now we'll start with introduction. In daily life, we are seeing, we are using, we are doing many things with the application of force. So I want to open my house window. So how I will open? Just I will lose that screw or free that handle. Just I'll push that window toward outward direction. Want to open the door? I will give a little pressure. I will push into my home towards it's the opening direction. Then want to open pen cap. Then want to open ink bottle and want to kick our our father and mother is kicking our vehicle kicker no to start the vehicle. So that everywhere we are giving some energy, we are giving some extra energy. That is called as force. We can say many examples for force, even while changing the channel with the help of remote for TV. This is also a good example for force. We are pushing now that button towards down. So these are an example for force. Okay, and now we'll see the definition of force. It is nothing but an external agency to change the state of rest or the state of motion of a body. For example, in our home, the chair or sofa is in rest position. So it will be remains in rest position. எது வரைக்கும் rest position இருக்கும்? Until we are applying some force. So just we are dragging the chair, we are moving the chair from one point to another one point or one place to another one place. At the time the chair position is changed, now the chair is moving. So the rest chair is started to moving when we are giving some external energy. This external agency or energy is called as force. And this force is vector quantity. So vector means it is can give both direction and magnitude, and its unit is Newton. This Newton we are using after the scientist name who gave good explanations about force that you will study in higher classes. There are a lot of topics are there in this about the force. Next, effect of force. And effect of force we can compare with many sports, because your pupil like to play on ground, then you can understand easily. For example, cricket match. In cricket match, the batsman he's stroking the ball. So when he feel the ball is hard to hit to boundary like 4 or 6, that time just he will stop the ball. So there he is giving little force on the bat, and suppose he want to hit 4 or 6, then he is giving more force on bat to hit the ball. And here there is a good example. So when he is giving, he want 4 or 6, he has to give some more force. Just he don't want anything, just he want to stop the ball, means here he is using less force. Like that we can explain in football also. In football, the player kicks the ball, so he want just to pass to other player nearby him, means just he will give a little force. Sometimes he will kick for large distance. There he is using more force. We can say while cycling also. So while cycling, we want to move more faster, means we can have to kick the pedal of the cycle very faster. We are giving some force. So we can say many examples. We can say many examples for force. And next is this force is, next is activity 1. See, there is a balloon. So lots of sharp pins are taken. More pins are on the table. Just we are pushing the balloon towards the pin edges, sharp edges. Now maximum pins with the sharp edge is not making it's pricking the balloon, but this balloon is not burst. We are doing the same experiment with a single pin, means that single pin will make the balloon to burst. How it happens? So the single pin is giving the large force and small area, and more pins are giving at a time on the balloon, means the force will become lesser here. Then we can say the pressure is lesser. This is due to the pressure. And also we can say the example, நம்ம ஹை ஹீல்ஸ் போட்ட ஷூ அதில் ஸ்லிப்பர்லாம் பார்த்துருக்கோம்ல, அந்த ஸ்லிப்பரில் வந்து அந்த ஹை ஹீல்ஸோட வச்சு நம்ம காலில் மிதிக்கிறோம் அப்படின்றப்போ இட் இஸ் கிவிங் மோர் பெயின். ஸோ ஃப்ளாட்டாக இருக்க ஸ்லிப்பர் நம்ம யூஸ் பண்ணி மிதிக்கிறோம்னா இட்ஸ் பெயின் இஸ் லெஸ்ஸர் பிகாஸ் லார்ஜ் ஏரியா இட்ஸ் கான்டாக்டிங். தென் நெயில், நம்ம நெயிலை வாலில் ட்ரைவ் பண்ணுறோம்ல, ஸோ வாலில் ட்ரைவ் பண்ணும்போது தட் நெயில் இஸ் ட்ரைவிங் இன்டு த வால். அப்போ ஈஸியாக ட்ரைவ் ஆகணும்னா தட் நெயில் எட்ஜ் ஷுட் பி மோர் ஷார்ப். இஃப் இட் இஸ் மோர் ஷார்ப், ஈஸிலி யூ கேன் ட்ரைவ் பிகாஸ் த ப்ரெஷர் இஸ் மோர் தர், த ஃபோர்ஸ் ஆக்டிங் per unit area இஸ் மோர். சப்போஸ் அந்த எட்ஜ் வந்து ஷார்ப்பாக இல்லாமல் ஃப்ளாட்டாக இருந்துச்சுன்னா இட் இஸ் வெரி காம்ப்ளிகேட் டு ட்ரைவ் இன் டு த வால். ஸோ தீஸ் ஆர் எக்ஸாம்பிள். ஆல்சோ வி கேன் சே த எக்ஸாம்பிள், நம்ம ஸ்கூலுக்கு பேக்கில் எடுத்துகிட்டு போகிறோம்ல, ஸோ அந்த பேக் வந்து நம்ம ஷோல்டரில் போடுறோம். தட் பேண்ட், அந்த ஷோல்டரில் போகிற அந்த பேண்ட் வந்து நல்லா தின்னாக இருந்துச்சுன்னா அவர் ஷோல்டர் வில் ஃபீல் மோர் பெயின். இஃப் இட் இஸ் ப்ராடர் அப்படின்றப்போ, ஸோ எவ்ரி பேக் இஸ் கிவன் வித் த ப்ராடர் பேண்ட் அண்ட் நவ் இட்ஸ் கிவிங் வெரி லெஸ் பெயின். ஸோ த ப்ரெஷர் இஸ் லெஸ்ஸர். ஸோ ஏரியா பிக்கர் ஒன் ஆகும்போது ப்ரெஷர் இஸ் decreasing. Okay, and these are example for pressures. Then what is the definition for pressure? This is we can define with the statement, the pressure is nothing but the amount of force or thrust acting on area, that is called as unit area, with perpendicular direction. This is called as pressure. So what is unit area? Means square meter. Okay, in unit area, perpendicular acting, what is acting? Amount of force or thrust, that is called as pressure. That pressure we can write with the formula thrust or force per area, or we can write F by A is the unit for formula for pressure. And here the unit for pressure we are using the term Pascal also. So Pascal is the scientist name. So after honor him we are using this unit, or we can use instead of Pascal we can use another unit is Nm per minus 2. We can use these two units for unit for pressure. And next, what are the things depends for pressure. We'll see that there are two things are given. One is magnitude of the force. நம்ம எவ்வளோ ஃபோர்ஸ் கொடுக்குறோமோ டிபெண்ட்ஸ் ஆன் தட். ஸோ ப்ரெஷர் எவ்வளோ எவ்வளோ ஆக்ட் ஆகிட்டு இருக்குன்னா இட் டிபெண்ட்ஸ் ஆன் த மேக்னிடியூட் ஆஃப் ஃபோர்ஸ் அண்ட் ஏரியா ஆஃப் கான்டாக்ட் அண்ட் ஹவு மச் ஏரியா. ஸோ ஏரியா வந்து நிறைய ஏரியா கான்டாக்ட் பண்ணிட்டு இருந்துச்சுன்னா த ப்ரெஷர் வில் பி ரெடியூஸ்டு. ஷார்ப்பாக கொஞ்சம் ஏரியாவில் மட்டும் கான்டாக்ட் பண்ணிருந்துச்சுன்னா த ப்ரெஷர் வில் பி மேக்ஸிமம். So we can write the two things are depends. One is magnitude of the force, next one is area of contact. And after that there is a problem one. The average weight of an elephant is 4000 Newton. So it is not mass, it is weight. Okay. So weight means it is a gravitational pull, or a gravitation or object கீழே pull பண்ணி இழுக்குதுன்னா that is called as weight. Okay. And amount of matter contained in the body is called as mass. 4000 Newton. The surface area of the sole of its foot 0.1 meter square. Calculate the pressure exerted by the 1 foot of an elephant. So here average weight of elephant is given 4000 Newton. So weight of one leg, so totally 4 legs are there for elephant. For one leg we can calculate the formula 4000 by 4 is equal to 1000 Newton. And pressure area is given 0.1 meter square. So what is the formula for pressure? F by A. So F we know that is 1000 by one leg. And area 0.1, we are dividing that, then answer is 10,000. That we can write as 10 power 4 Newton per meter square. So pressure exerted by one leg is 10,000 Newton of 1 square meter. So the effect of pressure we can increase with the help of increasing the pressure, increasing the force. The effect of the pressure we can increase. How we can increase the pressure? Increasing the force or decreasing the area. So using these two methods we can increase the effect of pressure. So this for this we can say the example what we discussed. So nail நம்ம வால்ல drive பண்ணும்போது அந்த nailோட edge எப்படி இருக்கணும், ஷார்ப்பாக இருக்கணும். Then only we can drive that into the wall very easier. So the pressure will be more there. And here some examples are given. First one is when we are carrying the heavier load on vehicle, means there we are using more wheels to reduce the pressure effect. Then when we are using using the bag, the straps of the bag is broader. The broader straps will give less pressure. If it is sharp, means the pressure will be more. So these two examples are given, and some other examples we discussed earlier. Here do you know one fact is given. So when we are walking on sand, we will feel more difficult, but camels can easily walk because it having the large padded feet. That large padded feet is giving the large area of contact, so the pressure is reduces there, but for us pressure is increases there. If a sharp leg means the pressure still it will be increases more than that. Okay. And then pressure exerted by air. So we are living in this atmosphere, so we are surrounded by the air. So you know the difference between air and gas. Air means mixture of gases. For example, oxygen, hydrogen, nitrogen, everything is mixed up in this air. This is called as all gases are mixed together. This is called as air. And what is mean gas? Gas means it is separate thing. For example, oxygen alone means that is gas. Nitrogen alone means that is gas. So air and gas both are differ. Are you clear? I hope you know about that very well. So gas means that is individual thing. Air means two or more gases are combined together. It is called as air. Okay. And about pressure exerted by air. So already I told this world is enclosed by the air. This atmosphere is filled with the air. That air is giving some pressure to us. Is this pressure is same everywhere in this world on the earth? Definitely not. When we are going to top hills, the pressure is differ. When we are at when we are going into the deeper into sea, that is also differ. How it is differing? Whether we are going to hill, it is increasing or decreasing, or into the earth or under the mine, it is increasing or decreasing. So just you discuss this with your friends or your relatives or your parents or your siblings. So about this we'll discuss in next class. And now you mark some question and answer. And this answer is first answer is for pressure. You mark from here the amount of force or thrust acting up to Pascal. Okay, this is one question. So question is define pressure. Okay, mark this. The next one is you take this problem one. Two questions are there. The next question is examples for pressure. So write the example for pressure. So we made three questions here, and one more question. Uh, you mark from force from here till of a body. Okay, then it's measured in the unit of Newton. These 2 points together, one question. Define force. This is fourth question. The next question is next page above the problem one from here to here. So what are the things depends for pressure? Or pressure exerted by the force depends on what? This is question. You mark this answer. So 5 questions you marked. These 5 questions can taken as homework. So thorough that. Then you do your homework part. Okay. And about pressure given by the air and remaining things we will discuss in next class. Thank you, students.